Just wanted to show you the video brochure that we did for Ricoh, which is the launch of one of their new printing machines with a whole lot of new features relating to it. So that's video 1 is the actual product, and video 2 is an explanation from their CEO relating to it. So the story relating to this is a little bit different. So they wanted to launch a new product and they wanted to give these out to their distributors. But we found another use for it, and this is what is so important with regards the actual video brochures being utilized, is we assist with a strategy. So we introduced a new strategy for them which had amazing results, and that was when a technician went onto site to go and fix a machine, he took a video brochure with him, and while he was fixing the machine he gave this to the company and he said, have a look at our new products. Now therein lies a whole new aspect of the strategy, and that was the technician became the salesperson. So this is not just about here's a new product and give this to your distributors, but utilizing different methods to be able to do it. In this instance, the technician became the salesperson. So not only were they fixing things, but they were selling new products on behalf of the company. A win for all parties.